Articles for 5. Okay, here's your chance. Articles for 5, the budget. You've got it next. List and explain as much to me as you can in reference to the budget activity. Go.
Oh, the activity that we did?
The budget activity.
Okay.
There's articles, there's stuff, there's a lot on this one.
Okay, you want us to take the budget and rearrange it like...
Okay, now that's all true, but I'm not going to test you on that.
Okay,
5, 4,
I don't know.
3,
Just give it to somebody else.
2. Go ahead, back group. You've got it. Yours next. The U.S. does spend more on defense than the rest of the world combined. Give them +5. Anything else? 5.
Didn't the U.S. spend in one day for the army? They spend more than some African countries on one day.
I don't know that we really talked about that. That might be true.
Yeah, we say that the U.S. army spends more than some African countries' GDP.
Somebody did say that. I don't have documentation on it. Give me some things that we had documentation on. Because I'm not going to test you on that, but there are some other really specific things. Order of spending, for example. Debt and deficit, for example. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. You guys have it. You're next.
We spend more on Social Security than we do on war.
So what is the number 1 category?
Social Security.
And?
Medicare.
Social Security, Medicare is number 1, +5. What's number 2?
Military.
Military is number 2. What's 3? +5, by the way, on that. 5.
Aid to low income.
Aid to low income, +5. What's 4?
Education.
-5. It is not education. What's 4? You guys have it.
Yes, can like list the specific number like in 2006 like the government had to pay like 23,760 per household.
Okay, the government says that it spends, based upon tax dollars, $23,760 per household, +5. What do they
And
collect?
they collect $20,044.
$20,044 is what they collect per household.
And so the government dissipates debt about $3,760.
That's right, $3,760. Go ahead.
And they spend the social security like 7,000.
Okay, we got that. We got that part. Okay, what's 4?
The 4.
Number 4.
International affairs.
What is number 4? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nana, go ahead. Your group's got it. Okay, number 4 was the interest. Number 6 was education. On the budget. Well, okay, first hand I see. What's the difference between the debt and the deficit? The national debt versus the budget deficit. Go ahead, Sarah.
The national debt is what the United States owes to all the other countries, isn't it? And then the deficit is what keeps growing in our own nation.
How much is the national debt? I know you got a link for that.
Can we say approximately how much? Because it changes.
How much is, give me a rough, there's a big number I gave y'all. 5, 4, 3. Okay, give them +10 and -5. Go ahead. What is the budget debt? It is $13 trillion. To Sarah's point. To Sarah's point just a second ago, the national debt is the total amount that the United States owes throughout history. And it is roughly about $13 trillion, first hand I see, or about how much per person? Go ahead.
Like 36,000, like around there, 30.
Yeah, it's about 38,000, I think is what I heard you say. Wink, wink. Give them +5. Okay, the budget deficit. What the budget deficit is the yearly amount. How much?
Over $9 trillion.
Wait, what?
Give them 3 points.
You're talking about the overall.
The overall is $13 trillion. We've answered that. What is the budget deficit according to the actual activity that we did? How much were you in the hole for that year? The year of the activity. It was about, go ahead.
Wait, how much was it each person?
How much were we in the hole in that budget activity that I gave y'all?
Oh, in that budget.
Per household?
-5.
Per household?
Go ahead, go ahead. It was $401 billion. Give them +5 in the back. Give them -5 up here in the front. The budget activity, understand, The budget activity, there are
Activity, you know how many activities?
there's only been one budget activity. The budget activity is a big deal. Shh, quiet down, quiet down. On this, be as specific as you can. Be as specific as you can. Y'all gave me the last correct answer. Pick me a category.
Well, it's time to go. I don't like it.
What are the scores right now?
It's done. Yeah. 76, 40.
What's 7?
Wow, looks like Clarice's group got second.
27 and 19.
Okay, on these, couple of things with the exam. You can go ahead and shut down, that'd be fine.